Hello everyone, this is Bhavik Choksi over here. Hope you guys are doing great and preparations going good. So this video is specifically for the May 2021 students appearing for CA final in the new syllabus. So at this stage, a lot of questions do arise that do we need to study anything extra? New material has been issued by the institute. So what I've tried to do is I've tried to kind of at one place at one point of time, I've tried to share all the new resources which are relevant for the May 2021 attempt. I will again repeat, most of these resources do not pertain to any amendments. Institute has issued a new study material, yes, but as we have discussed earlier, there have been no amendments in SFM and a few amendments in financial reporting. But well, there are a lot of new sums added. These sums will be relevant for your practice. So what we have done is I am going to share these PDFs, some of which have already been shared earlier, but just all of these which are relevant at one place at one point on the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is given below. So you can probably download them from there. So in financial reporting, well, there have been quite a few new sums added over here. And what I've tried to do is, since May 21, you do have some time. So I've given you two PDF files. These are all printable files. You can print them and you can view them as well. So I've given you a compiler of all the new questions. Every new question that has been added. So that is compiler of new sums comprehensive for May 21. This includes all the new sums added by the institute. This also includes sums which were earlier there in the past, RTPs, MTPs, and have now been incorporated as a part of the main study material in the institute. So this is a fairly comprehensive document which gives the page numbers and RTP, if any, then RTP attempt, etc. question wise. So this is going into a good 300 odd pages. Might sound to be very daunting, but don't really worry. So what we've tried to do is we've tried to shortlist the questions which are applicable and which I would suggest that you try to practice with your May 21 exam. So there's a shortlisted set which is close to 100 odd sides. So again, I know it sounds to be 100 sides, but nothing which is worth having comes very easy. So there's no point doing just 15 and 20 sides when the institute has added close to 250 or 300 sides. So if possible, again, this is not mandatory. If possible and you want to do, I've tried to shortlist with my judgment a few questions. 100 sides would be the shortlisted questions. Again, in this 100 sides, we are kind of presuming that you have done the past RTPs, MTPs, and hence have not taken the RTP questions. I've taken the fresh questions, which it's good if you practice. So if time permits, I would strongly recommend you at least go through this. For our existing students, we would be also sharing videos for all the questions that have been added and which are not, which have been newly added by the institute. Obviously, the questions that have already been done, we will not record it again. For our existing students, we will share this in this month itself, by the middle of this month, either on Google Drive or through YouTube. It will be communicated to you. But this is the PDF, which can be used by all the students, which is based on exact institute language. Apart from that, there are also a few MC amendments for which I've already recorded two videos, and there's a short file which comprises of the theory and few problems that we have kind of formulated or selected. So these are MC amendments. So the PDF for that also have taken over here. And the impact of COVID-19 on financial reporting. This is based on an institute FAQ list, and it is mediocre importance. Among all of these, I would strongly recommend you to at least go through point 1 and point 3. COVID-19, if you have time, just spend around 2 to 2.5 hours once before your exam and just read the theory or view the videos. At a faster speed if you want, or at regular speed, 2.5 to 3 hours, and it goes out of the picture once and for all, done and dusted. So these two files I would recommend you to study. In SFM, again, we have prepared a compiler of new sums added in May 21. Almost all of these sums, or rather all of them, are from the old course practice manual. So if you have studied the old course practice manual already, practiced it, which is actually recommended for the common topics at least, then this compiler is automatically covered and you don't really need to do this. And lastly is the theory compiler. This is quite helpful. I'm sorry. This is quite helpful. So if you have kind of ignored theory, put it into the back burner. This is it's around a 4-hour video that I've already put on YouTube, and along with this compiler should really help you. So along with the notes that you would already have, if you take these as add-ons, specifically the new sums added, the MC amendments, as well as the theory compiler, you should be good for the May 21 attempt. You don't really need to order new study material. If you do this properly, you really don't need to order any new study material. For our existing students, we will also be sharing the videos for the new sums added. So we will keep you posted. And I think that should be it. I wish you all the very best again. Good luck, goodbye, and see you.